Hello everyone, my name is Zeke. I'm a certified personal trainer with close to a decade of experience. I am excited to have you here today. Today we're going to be doing together over 100 reps of squats. I'm going to be guiding you through each movement to make sure you're doing them correctly. And also, make sure you warm up, bring some water, and bring a lot of energy. And make sure you subscribe below for more videos like this one. Now, let's get it. Too easy. Let's go. All right, for the first set of squats, we're going to be doing regular squats. We're going to make sure we stand with shoulder width apart, which means there's enough space between your legs. Legs are pointing outside, toes are pointing outside. And then from here, you want to make sure you're looking up, go as low as you can, and come back up. Make sure you listen to your body. Don't force any movement. Let's get it. We're doing 20. For the next set of movements, we're going to be doing sumo squats. You want to make sure you're in a wider stance this time. Much more space between your legs, but still the toes going outside. We're going to go as low as we can. Come back up. You should feel a nice stretch in the inner thighs for this one. Let's get it. 20. All right, we're gonna take a shorter break this time. We're still trying to do between 20 and 50-second break. For the next workout, we're going to be doing side-to-side squats. So from here, I'm gonna do a squat, and then I'm gonna make a big stance. I'm gonna do another squat, come back here, do another squat. Let's go. All right, amazing work. Now for the next set of squats that we're going to be doing triple dip set squats. So I'm gonna show you that from my side view. We want to go lower. I know from here, we're gonna do 3, pause squat, 1, 2, 3. Then we'll come back up. Up, amazing work. All right, next set of squats is going to be CURTSY lunge squats. So we want to do a squat, then we're going to go to the other side, do a CURTSY lunge, come back to the middle, do a squat, other side, CURTSY lunge. Let's go. All right, and we got the last workout. It's going to be squats to calf raises. So we want to make sure we're in a mid stance. It's not too wide, it's not too narrow. Then we're going to go into a squat position, come back up, calf raise, go back into squat, calf raise. Let's get it. All right, and that is it. I hope you enjoyed this workout. You can do this workout multiple times per week, or just make sure you add it to your leg workout routine, either before or at the end of it. It's a good way to warm up. It's a good way to cool down, to kind of, challenge yourself at the end of a workout. And for more videos like this one, please subscribe below. And if you want to try out my program, please check out my programs are available on myplaybook.io. Search Phyzeek Fitness, and you're gonna find me on there. The first 7 days for free, so you can always try this. It's free. All right, I appreciate you for checking this out. Until next time, let's get it. Too easy. Let's go.